Hi everybody, welcome to Fluid Art by Christine. How are you guys doing today? Getting ready to do a painting. Got my favorite size, 12 by 24 on a gallery wrapped. Yay, get my gloves on. And I am going to do what I like to call a triple decker pour. And the colors are Tea White, Naples Yellow, Artist Loft Old Gold, Metallic Cobalt Blue, Cobalt Blue by Winsor Newton, and Phthalo Blue by Artist Loft. I'm only going to put silicone in the blue colors. The Naples Yellow, I'm going to put some in there too. But not the white and not the gold. Gold does wacky with silicone in it, so I'm going to put 3 drops in each of these cups. I'm going to put this here so the camera has something to focus on. Okay. Give that a very good stir. I don't have GAC in my mix because I don't have any, and I'm waiting for my shipment to come, but I didn't want to not paint. So I have my regular mix, 12 ounces of glue, 6 ounces of Floetrol, and 3 ounces of Liquitex pouring medium instead of GAC. Okay, so I'm going to actually move this while I fill my cups. I'm going to fill 3 cups. Now I know these look dirty, but they'll work. Okay, so I'm going to start with white on the bottom. Camera likes to have something definitive to focus on, so put a good dose of white and then Naples Yellow. We're going to be using a lot of white Naples Yellow to surround the blues, if that makes any sense. So white, Naples Yellow, gold, then the color. Now I think something's going on with my glue because for some reason it's like grainy or something. I don't know what, but fingers crossed. Okay. So I'm not going to layer the blues in the same in each cup. I'm just going to do them in a different order. And I know the Phthalo Blue and the Cobalt Blue really look similar, but I don't care. Alright, so that's that one. Then we do a little gold. Naples Yellow. White. Okay, so gold. have a little extra Naples yellow. I hope I made enough. For this kind of pour, you use a lot of your, I don't know, whatever you're sandwiching surrounding, use a lot of that. And white. Okay, so this one doesn't have any metallic cobalt blue in it yet. This one. Phthalo blue. Okay, that's it for the meaty part of the sandwich. So then we use gold, last time with gold. You guys, I am so excited for Game of Thrones tonight. Now you probably won't get this video tonight. Maybe. But to all of you Game of Thrones fans, I'm a fan. Love the show. Can't wait to find out what happens. All right. Cups are done. That's fast. Boom. Let those come down. Woohoo! I don't know about you guys, but I hope Cersei dies. She is so cruel. I am going to try to get my wave pattern that I like, but fingers crossed. Okay, I think that's probably good enough. All right, here we go. Oh, you can see that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, I knew something was wrong with that glue. Man, oh man. Look at it. Oh, I was like, oh, screw it, just use it anyway. I mean, I guess I could scrape it, but we'll see. Maybe it'll just be something different looking. Wow, that is weird. Maybe it got old or something. I just got a bad batch. Wow, that's, I don't know, maybe it's kind of cool. Maybe it'll turn out to be something neat and different in a good way. All right, I'm gonna use a little torching here, bring up some cells. definitely got a lot of baby cells that popped up. Now they're gonna get bigger. These are gold cells over here, and I can already see some rings, so that's nice. I wasn't sure if I would get the rings because of not having GAC. So we shall see. Here we go, guys. Let's jiggle down. Got it all covered. Now I'm going to do my wave pattern, hopefully. Okay, I think that's, whew, wow. Yeah, it's, I'm just gonna go with it because I've already mixed up a bunch of colors. I've got 3 or 4 paintings planned for this week, guys. I'm making the time to get some, I'd like to get at least 4 videos out this week. And, I like it. What do you guys think? It's not, you can see the negative space, that very little of it that there is. It just has a different, maybe kind of a textured thing. I have to stop and stare a little and decide. That's kind of cool. If I like it, I do like it. It's a keeper. I like the blues. I've been wanting to do the blue and gold. And my gold didn't totally disappear. I think this is gold up here. And I see some air bubbles, but I'm afraid if I hit it with the torch that it's gonna give it a really speckled look. So I'm not going to torch it. So let me bring you guys in for a close-up. So here it is. It's really busy. There is a lot of cells. I think I might have put more than 3 drops because it kind of ran out really fast. So, but yeah, I definitely can tell that pouring medium is something weird with it. It's still got an overall nice look. I think I'll keep it. Tell me what you guys think. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, like my video. If you want to subscribe for more, hit subscribe and the bell, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Happy pouring!